Good morning everyone. I am Dr. Priya Bansal, consultant obstetrician and gynecologist at Fortis Hospital, Mall Road, Ludhiana. On International Epilepsy Day, I would like to discuss a few important points about epilepsy and pregnancy. Epilepsy is one of the common causes of fits during pregnancy. So all the women who have epilepsy, they have doubts that whether they can plan pregnancy or not. So don't be nervous, you can definitely plan a pregnancy and go on to have a healthy pregnancy and have a healthy baby. You should know that during pregnancy, the frequency of the fits remain unaffected in about 50% of the patients. And in 15 to 20% of the patients, the frequency of the fits even decreases during pregnancy. Only in 25 to 30% of the patients, the frequency of the fits might increase. So preconceptional counseling plays a very important role in planning pregnancy in these patients. You should always discuss with your neurologist that you are planning for a pregnancy so that they can alter the dose of the drugs that you are already taking, or they can switch to much safer options. You should start taking folic acid in a dose of 5 mg once daily as soon as you start trying to become pregnant, as these drugs, they decrease the level of folic acid in your body. So folic acid should be started much earlier, even before conception, and should be continued throughout pregnancy till delivery, as it will decrease the risk of developmental defects in the baby. During pregnancy, you should have more frequent and regular visits with your obstetrician as well as neurologist both. You should be well compliant with the anti-epileptic drugs that you are taking as well as folic acid. You should always deliver in a well-equipped center that has all the adequate facilities for both mother as well as the baby. Vaginal delivery is absolutely safe for patients with epilepsy. Even breastfeeding can be safely continued in these patients. Though small amount of these drugs are secreted in the breast milk, but still the benefits of breastfeeding, they outweigh the risk. So breastfeeding is always encouraged. Care should be taken to minimize sleep deprivation in the mothers by adequate support from both the partner as well as the family members. So I hope this session will be informative to all the women who have epilepsy and who are planning for pregnancy. Thank you.